In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AdSense ad unit code to your Google site. If you want to display ads on your Google site, this is a simple process and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you already have your ad unit code copied from your AdSense account because that's the code you'll be placing into the site. Having it ready in advance will make this much faster and help you avoid mistakes while switching between tabs. Start by opening your Google site in edit mode. This is important because you need access to the site editor in order to add any embedded content. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct page and that you're placing the ad in the area where you actually want it to appear. Choosing the right location now can save you from having to move things around later. Next, go to the Insert panel and choose the Embed option, which is marked with the angle bracket symbol. This is the tool Google Sites uses when you want to add custom code or external content. When the Embed window opens, make sure you are using the Embed code option, since that's where your AdSense script needs to go. Now paste the AdSense script that you copied earlier into the Embed field. It's a good idea to paste carefully and avoid changing anything in the code, because even a small accidental edit can prevent the ad from loading properly. After pasting the script, click Next. At this stage, Google Sites will prepare the embedded content so you can place it onto the page. Once that's done, add it to your page and make sure it sits neatly in the section you want. If needed, you can adjust the placement so it fits better with the rest of your layout and doesn't interrupt the overall design of the site. Keeping the ad in a clean, visible position can improve both appearance and usability. Finally, click Publish to make your changes live. This step is essential because until you publish, the ad code won't be pushed to the public version of your site. After publishing, give the site a moment and then check the live page to confirm everything has been added correctly. And that's it. You've copied the AdSense ad unit code, embedded it into your Google site, and published the update. If you're following these steps carefully, the process should be quick and straightforward.